What's going on with South Korea declaring martial law? It seems like a very unprecedented move. Has there been any lead up to this within the country? Answer: I don't have much background information, but a Reuters article elaborated a bit. Yoon cited a motion by the country's opposition Democratic Party, which has a majority in parliament, this week to impeach some of the country's top prosecutors and its rejection of a government budget proposal. Edit: the Reuters article linked above has been edited since I posted it to add more information. Yonhap news agency cited the military as saying activities by parliament and political parties would be banned, and that media and publishers would be under the control of the martial law command. Yoon did not immediately specify who constituted the pro-North Korean anti-state forces, but he has cited such forces in the past as hindering his agenda and undermining the country. He did not say in the address what specific measures will be taken. Yonhap reported that the entrance to the parliament building was blocked. Tanks, armored personnel carriers, and soldiers with guns and knives will rule the country, Lee Jae-myung, leader of the opposition Democratic Party, which has the majority in parliament, said in a live stream online. The economy of the Republic of Korea will collapse irretrievably. My fellow citizens, please come to the National Assembly. Reuters tends to not report more than just the immediate facts, but some quick looking online indicates that Yoon's administration has ongoing investigations of Lee for various crimes, but the first trial saw him acquitted just a few days ago. Lee is the frontrunner in the polls for president in the next election, and his party, which currently has a majority in parliament, recently passed a motion to impeach the prosecutors who continue to investigate Lee. Meanwhile, Yoon's approval is at all-time lows, especially due to a recently revealed scandal where he and his wife were accused of pressuring their party to run candidates they had picked. Yoon denies this, and has refused calls to open an investigation. His wife has had other scandals as well, such as accepting expensive gifts. Edit 2. Things keep changing at a rapid pace. Here's some of the recent highlights. President Yoon declared martial law. Among other things, he forbade Parliament from meeting. Parliament defied him, and 190 of 300 members met in the National Assembly building. The military, following Yoon's order, moved in to take control of the building. Before they could clear out the legislators, all 190 voted to block the order of martial law, which needs a majority to pass. The military pulled back from the building and left Parliament alone, but also announced on national airwaves that they will still consider martial law to be in effect until Yoon says otherwise. The leader of Yoon's own political party called on Yoon to lift the decree. The legislators have remained in the National Assembly, worried that the military will take them into custody if they leave. It's up in the air who is legally in the clear. Yoon's martial law order forbade Parliament from meeting, but Parliament met and voted to overturn the order. By the Korean Constitution, Yoon is required to comply with Parliament's vote. But is the vote valid if Parliament was forbidden by Yoon to meet? Really, it'll probably come down to the military and who they back. Edit 3. BBC and CNN just reported that Yoon has announced he will lift the martial law order.